Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot your weapons on the Call of Duty game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Call of Duty game on your device, then go ahead and open it up first. Now after you open the game, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging into your account, you will be taken into the home page from which you can start any game that you wish. Now once you have chosen your game, and you are inside the gameplay mode, you will be given a weapon based on what kind of loadout you have chosen. Now if you look over to the right side on your game screen, you will find the bullet icon. If you tap on this, your player will fire the weapon. You can also tap on the scope icon at the top section of the bullet icon and your player will now enter the aim mode. You can simply slide your aim to the direction you want to shoot and then tap on the bullet icon right underneath the aim icon. As soon as you tap on this, your weapon will begin firing. Now there are also various other kinds of weapons that you can use, and you can also use explosives. If you have access to explosives, you will find them within the grenade section at the bottom. You can just tap on it and then your player will use the grenade. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to shoot your weapons on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.